Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. Today I will show you how to change a signal light bulb or a headlight bulb on a 2013 Ford F-150. So this is the same from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first open up the hood, and the easiest way to change the bulbs is just to completely remove the headlight assembly, because that way you have access to all of the bulbs and you don't have to squeeze in your hand, and it's quite easy to remove the headlight. Okay, so first we will remove this plastic Phillips trim screw, so we have access to the bottom part of the headlight, and so we can remove this rubber cover. Okay, the best way to remove it would actually be with a flat screwdriver. If you can pry it here under and just push it out, because if you use Phillips it's just gonna turn and not gonna go out. Okay, next step would be to remove these screws, this one right here, and there is supposed to be one here, but mine is missing on my truck. All of them are socket number 10, so just unscrew those three. When you remove all the screws, be careful how you pull it out. So do not pull it like this to the side, but you have to pull it straight out towards yourself. I will show you why once I take it out. So you'll see that headlight assembly has a couple of clips here that go into these holes. So that's why you have to pull the headlight straight out and not to the side, because you can break those clips and then that won't be good, I guess. Okay, so on the back side of the headlight assembly, now you have access to absolutely all of the light bulbs. The big one here, it's a headlight bulb. Small one on the side, it's a marker bulb. The one on the bottom right here, this is your turn signal light bulb. To access any of the bulbs, just turn it to the counterclockwise or to the left, and you'll see you'll get access to each of the bulbs. The same way you put it back in. Easy and simple. The procedure is the same in case you are replacing the complete headlight assembly. Just a couple of screws you have to remove, and that's the whole job. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please support me, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and help me make more videos. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.